Good morning. Today we are going to see the next topic, that is path length and displacement. Okay, path length means path length is nothing but distance. Okay, what is that? Path length is, so you can say that what is distance? So distance is nothing but the total length traveled by an object from the initial point to final point. Okay, so distance is nothing but the total length traveled by an object from the initial point to the final point. Next one, displacement. Displacement is differ from distance. In this, displacement means the shortest distance from the initial point to final point. Okay, I will give one example to you. Then one person, we can say it as A. He start from home and he reached the shop. He start from home, then he reached the shop. Again he, from the shop, he reached his friend's home. Okay, a person A, the point is A, he start from the home, he reached the shop. Okay, we take it as the position is B, then he reached the friend's house. We can take this position is C. Okay, now we are going to calculate what is the distance he travelled. Okay, where he started from the point A, then he reached the point B, then again he reached the last point is C. Okay, what is the total distance he covered? Distance is equal to, what is the total distance? AB, then BC. Okay. So what is the total length he travelled from the point A, B, C? Okay, AB plus BC. Then now we are going to calculate the displacement. So displacement, what is displacement? The shortest distance from the initial point to the final point. Okay, where is the initial point? From the point A. The A is the initial point. So where is the initial point? A. Then where is the final point? He reached the point. C is the final point. So what is the shortest distance? AC. What is the shortest distance? AC. Okay. So distance is the total length he travelled. How long he travelled. Can take any path AB plus BC. The displacement is what? The shortest distance from the initial point to the final point. So, what is the shortest distance? AC is the shortest distance. So, displacement is equal to AC. Now, we are going to see the next example. The distance is equal to displacement. Okay, if a person starts from the point A, then he reach the point B. Okay, here the initial point is A, then the final point is B. Okay, what is the distance here? What What is the distance? The total length traveled by the object. Is it AB? Then what is the displacement? The shortest distance from the initial point to the final point. What is the shortest distance here? AB. So in this case, the displacement and distance both are same. Okay. Now we can take the next one. Okay. In this example, the displacement is 0. The distance is dozen 0. How can it be? Means if the person start from the point A, then he reach the point B. Okay, a person start from the point A, then he reach the point B. Again he lastly, finally, he reached the point A here. Okay, he start from the point A, then he reached the point B, then again he reached the point A. So, in this case, what is the distance and displacement? So, we know that what is distance here? The total length traveled by the object. So, what is the total length? First, he start from A, then he reach AB, so AB, then he start from B and he reach A, so AB plus BA, so the distance not equal to 0. Okay, then what is displacement? So what is displacement? The shortest distance between the initial and final point. What is the initial point here? A. What is the initial point? A. Then what is the final point? A. So both the points are same. So there is no shortest distance. So what we get? 0. So in this case, the displacement is equal to 0. That is the value of 0.